To you all aspirant in Kanha Math classes for 12th Math concerning to CBSE board based on NCERT pattern. In the continuation of previous videos, I will start here to find out the scalar product of some more vectors. In this connection, we will try to solve the question number 11 under the same exercise 10.3. Here in question number 11, it's given that mod of A B plus mod of B A is perpendicular to the vector mod of A B minus mod of B A. Its condition is very simple, that when two vector A B are perpendicular to each other, it means scalar product or dot product of the vector A dot B is 0. This is the fundamental condition of two vectors being perpendicular to each other, that the dot product of these two vectors is 0, where A and B are non-zero vector. A is non-zero and B is non-zero. Since the given vector, since the given two vectors are perpendicular, hence dot product of above two vectors is equal to 0, or mod of A B plus mod of B A dot product mod of A B minus mod of B A. Is equal to 0. Dot mod of vector A, if you multiply this by this, simply you will see mod of vector A is square, and this is mod of vector A square, and this is BB, means B square minus mod of A mod of B B A plus mod of B mod of A B. This is this into this and this into this. Here mod of A mod of B AB, and here mod of B square minus mod of B square, and this is A square. First of all, we will multiply this into this, mod of A into mod of A, mod of A square, B square, and mod of A into mod of B, BA, mod of A, mod of B, BA, and from this mod of B, mod of A, AB, mod of B, mod of B, mod of A, AB, and this mod of B square and A square. We clearly see this may be written as mod of A square, mod of B square, mod of AB into BA and mod of BA into AB. This is the same because product of this and this is this, product of this and this is equal to this, and product of this and this is plus. Now this will be cancelled by this, and this is equal to mod of B square, mod of A square. Obviously the left hand side is equal to 0 and right hand side also is equal to 0, hence proved. Hence proved. Hence proved. In question number 12, it's given the dot product of A is 0 and the second condition is the dot product of vector AB is 0. So what about vector B? Whether the vector B is 0 or not, or what is the nature of vector B, it has to be found out. From equation 1, A dot A means A square is equal to 0 or mod of A square is equal to 0 or mod of A is 0, hence vector A is 0. It's clear about vector A is 0, but from equation 2, dot product of AB is 0, dot product of AB is 0, and from first A is equal to 0, it means either B is 0 or any other of magnitude. This is the requisite answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.